Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have y and y. We can do about factorization. S and S, we can do another factorization. This one I will put on the right. Next, we divide both sides by x and y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we have 1 divided by x divided by x, we have number 1. This one we have 1 over y minus 1. Next, the integration of 1 over x, we have ln of the absolute value of x. Number 1, that is about x. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. The next one, that is about y. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.